exposure to hazardous materials during the decommissioning process, using robotics for tasks that were traditionally done by humans. These AI-powered robots can handle, dismantle, and dispose of missiles with precision and without risk of human error. Secondly, efficiency. AI can streamline the process, saving precious time and resources. Using advanced predictive analytics, AI can forecast the best methods and tools for each decommissioning project, reducing trial and error and ultimately cost. Lastly, accuracy. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that would be near impossible for humans to detect. This can result in highly accurate decommissioning strategies that ensure no stone is left unturned. AI has the potential to revolutionize this process, making it safer and more efficient. The future of missile decommissioning is here, and it's intelligent. Let's summarize what we've learned today about the role of AI in decommissioning and disposal of obsolete missiles. Missile decommissioning is an essential process that ensures national security and safety. However, it's not without its challenges. The current process is complex and can be risky due to the volatile nature of the materials involved. This is where artificial intelligence steps in. AI can help make the process safer, faster, and more efficient. By using AI, we can predict and control the decommissioning process better, minimizing human exposure to hazardous materials. AI can also help in identifying obsolete missiles faster, allowing for timely decommissioning. The implications of these advancements are significant. Not only do they enhance national security, but they also improve safety measures. With AI, the process of decommissioning becomes less of a challenge and more of an opportunity for technological innovation. As we move forward into an era of increasing technological innovation, the possibilities for AI in missile decommissioning are vast and